Sompa ebe sunima. Owe fide no to Sompa. Fato Sompa TV. Na ya wani pama o. Na unu huarada. If it's a good year musemo ubenya. Abera bom musemo abenya. Yam sungun sem ubenya.
Ena memene enwumre no nsia toso mienu abusua adomo yabo ensemu a santrofo wo mo anante ho firi na watwi mu nyina ene fresh and brand new esanso ka ho eno ene ye de to awo midimafo heba center de Dr. Tam da so woda no na wode time ato ye kase so wono na de time eto ya de so ma ya de yira e wo poku ase ma yira ana ebu akwa agogo ogo ya de anwumre waso ye mu just hot kenke de just bread and pastries for one my yomodi yellow corn na ya de yesu asubonten Jesus our source ho no e na anoa enti edi ho adanse ya ma okra bia se ohia bi wono ma eton dokono yeyi mo hawo afiri mo kon mu a na ye josofo a dome commercial bank na chi wokutaye mu dendenden e na anwumre ensampa no ba efiri so mpankran Watermelon Street dome edwom kwan no so ho ano emfutu kwan no mu no abusua ye life o ewo 93.1 na hwada braka eno ya santimamu wonu ma ewo France abrochimamu nyina so fa nsempei Paris Mountain so adamfo pa radio wa dom 100.7 na jawusu be ma anene dom wonu ma fa nsempei bi ewo dom ahenkuro Mountain so afi so pa 90.7 bono na po e fama yankransa ededem manager Bafo Steven ene ne dom no papa toast mo wo ma biebie di atom Sompa 106.1 bono champion duedu akwa techimai na henkuro no eho na butuo anwumre ededem live ana afi wo bono dia 98.9 lajibe kwa na bro sanum night market hwa me say efiri so nwane a emfro kayo na mfom phone kura otimiditie live ekwa kokosi ahafo okutam anwumre sada na kingdom 106.1 wode ama adehia wo mbo mankasim kana sheban radio ye live also ewo kaneshi eno achi decoder no so be FM stations no wono yenzu agina mu dendenden te sa Ghana Franca na yedidi independence no Sompa 106.5 FM Accra favor St. Augustine wode ya namoso ka ho kwohwe bi na fa wadwenkyere no wonkanto so to ase Sompa FM live ene YouTube na ebia wato e mantemu na atie yen abusua wonyirai Sompa takwa 101.1 obapa ya ka akire ene dom no www.somponline.com yewra tabo aten wo chemu de akwa akoto okwa wo hwe no wo wani so no na wo san so akenkan ama ayeye abusua ensam de ba ene no de abati wo mu bi ne se
bantama wono akwa abato no so we yan pipi fo de no wono ko ya mrasiro jani wakasa ho
sanso ena enkramantam so afo de ababeto dwa kire mu se wama eye Laboma Beach Resort ehonom no ena makoma kwaduonu ba ko a wo se ne omu ye o nyina omunyai na ehun nsem ka kase hu a ye de bremu
eno ye ultimatum na abusua Dr. Joshua Zato ana wakasa se wo man no ye democracy no ada ye de bafoto ne menase se ye twa ye bra Chief Justice ye ho no
ene ya asem kase pa we no ena de no ebi ka ho ye beji bre na ya sampra ni nyina mu kama e de ama ye wie pe na watwe mu nsem no ne ye ba ye fie de no ne ye di se usan tisu bio ne ye tisu san ka ho san bo ho ne ye san sisu bio ma wo no ye ne nyina ba ma no wote a bio ha ye mbeso bio ha ka se na da men kwa ne ho ho a me wa ga na ye de na si ya amanti je so mpa no so a abusia we nyina ka ho no bie ana ye de so mo se Ghana this week eni anu ma wote ye nka no ye baasa oduma kuma chia me Obrempong na Kyekyeku Ampoma mene me bra
nana Oppong Kyekyeku enafi
Triple A mine ejapia Apam Dadaa.
Afei yenshan sem na se emfa emao na yeshase e de free asante mantam mu na yakwa akogina bantama ho se wo de fa free children's hospital ho pampa so na odi wura mu no yankwa ni mu bebre enkodu market ho ye be wura culture center ho no a enti on se zoo kwan no na otimi fa mu abesi ke ho no na afei ye wura mu ho na na yate asim se na ye koji na ya wura culture center ewo nifa so ho no a ho na ade yi kwaso na tiefo baka ya be na kakra ni ana MPP amonyokuo num na wona eto aba na bantama de no kre ekoya asem kase pa ya wo mo de no diabo nyina bramu wo mamanfo toto snap ahodo de brunua ene e press for so chenkrofo pa na no na ba ye no na nipa wo mo hwese nkomo kwa akoto aba no no me be se apem ene ahwe no 1200 ena nko ne kwa akoto aba no wo nso ba ye se ne asi junction to lokotri junction ni bi eda so ena manfo fa kire ye so wo mo kwa akoto aba no na ene na eje ko eje gbo eje nyaba bedu ye na bosomfo yi puma kwa mi se won nkoto aba no na wo munyi mpanimfo ebedi amyoko nanim na wo bantama bato mpesu ya so na no no mko yi o ere ya no kura ne nyame anim ni wo mgusu a wo moto culture center han kwa wo musi center ba miensa na wo no moto aba no wo hosa na ba wa bedu ko ho na wo kosi a na hye bedwani a wo gina ma de hye wa bantama Francis Asanso Boachi na won ne bon ko no so wa ba wa be se ne ne ma ko na no kura ne nyame anim ni wo mo bo adwuma pa na we no se na nya bibi nti a kanade no wo moto ye na se nkom fa ne saa na so party no emu mpanimfo ase de a na won ba fa ne saa na de bia so ye fam saa no ahwe yi a na asem ta echi na so we de hwe nta echi
ma ko ba bia ne amanfo akasa na hwese de ba bia eto aba ne 3 achichim 3 ana ga leaders so eto aba ne about 1002 na so far no bibia ko kama ni hu bane bia ne akasa no afina me twa na mesoso matoma ba no se bibia so eto maba jiri se ko se ya de a bibia be ko so kama no se police won so wa pa e kire se wa be bibia etia me bia no omo no obedi ntimi ni aso so far de ko so if say na me fi se ba na eto bibia ko kama nka ewu hia se bia se akoto fufu but the party mpelifo na atras na adwon enti no nyina se de se yejitu na ye de yeju we are all bound together there would not be any issue regardless
we Francis Asanso Boachi mrashe bedwani ogina ma de hye wa bantama woni ba wa bedu na boss ankobo isabere ya me ne wo kasa die abato no mugusu kenkan ne ye wa akire bia no ye de be matiefo
abusuya ye ka wo se no nsia bremu kase bo na wani ni wasugusu a wo hwe ewo eye Sompa 106.5 so Facebook page ye ho YouTube ye ne anoma de ne Twitter ene ye X ehonum ni nyina no kase no eje no homena ewo honum abade wa kase mema tope miensa yatena se ensem ne ye bi ede ma wo se ne ese efata na ye to so a enkramantam wonum se isuafo eye honorable Linda na Oklu na ono no de aba betu dwa kyeremu se na nsentem ne ye hu ya ni se nsu ato ewo eye enkrahad se ehire fa amanfo mo ntwatwa nyina ewi ekire amanfo nsu edi omunya me binim kura to nanan mo nsede na busua ye nka mo ya onemom ne esi ye no ye bompa ya se twedi ampo nyankopon se me biem entimi nsi aben egusu bomoden ahwekon obetima afaso a ne esi ye no obetima hwa na afi wasi ano pomasi bre na eye enkramantam wan musei abambofo a ehwe enkrahan musei ne from Greater Accra Regional Security Council RECSEC womu ena omutu omugu monten so a oba ya santoa eye ya maame Linda na Oklu ono ena tese wodi etnimu a wo hye eboa ma dwumadien etime koso womu nantie mu anom kopiem awo eye Laboma Beach Resort a eno ena woteshi ene ne mpotem no kure ne nyamianum nie ne omukoko hu ene de omani anyu ho adan ne esisi bebrede esisi mantra bia ya nkasa be apui ni bufu krompo a ehire a ekoko fom ne nyina no yesisi isi adankora ene wonum asabi nsuo no ya kana mua tesesabe akwada ya de na hye obi motoam ya mua no dindindin tesane awode no na ya maame Linda Okru dia to eye womo a omabawura bank sase a esi nsuo ho kwan chom se ya momo na makomaku aduonu baako Said that do now when you need a abambofo and obechiam.
We are currently at Laboma. We are here to assess the place and know the kind of building that are designated within the buffer zone. And so all those buildings within those buffers will come down. And so this one, in fact, honestly speaking, we're here to do the exercise. But on a second note, we were told that the occupants, they've not been given enough notice. And so we are here to let them know that we are giving them within 21 days. Those buildings that falls within the buffer should be ready within the demolish themselves, or RECSEC will come back here to do our demolition exercise. The last time we came, some of the buildings were even at the footage, and so we told them not to continue with the exercise. Are you getting? But sometimes people push us to do whatever, and then at the end of the day, they'll call you all kinds of names. And so they know, the encroachers here knows very, I'm not sure they even have permits to do whatever they've done here. The assemblies are here. You can find out from them whether they've given anybody permitted. They don't have permit. They were told, not that they were not prevented from, raising the structures. They were prevented, but you know, human beings, you leave in the morning, at night you come, they've raised the structures.
Enti mantem so for ya mame Linda Okro ana abusuan yete se wode nsemu edi etu dwa bra okopiemu elaboma ho na eno ache no de tu dwa ache mu se enna polpole aduonu ba kwa wode amomu yi wo kama na to wo mu omasisi adankora ewo eye miawo no nyina epone nchen no wo se aban ka to omasomu omate ni se pen enye penfa eche se wo mu nhwe demolition bia bekoso ewo ho no mo amasidan na asase no mo de ye mo ne mo pe no mo na ombesan so atua eye demolition no eho ka ebi ni ne wehe ka ebeji sika wo betua fango ombeto ede agu eye ehye mu ede ba bebubu wo mo magapade a omasi no eno nso ombesan so atua se uti anye ye na driver na wo twa ehye no wo ba bebubu agapade ne ka to se opa ne chensu ko mo de wa e wo se nso sankoto nsuo ede kan wo se e ka bia ombebo no aban hye wo mo omuntua.
Oh yes, there will be arrests, but trust me, all those monies that will be spent here will be footed by them, and that is the directive. And so all those, yes, they are going to be charged. Whatever machines, a fuel, whatever, they are going to pay for it. Government is not going to spend any penny on the exercise that will be done here.
We a Greater Accra Regional RECSEC ano ba penia wada no Regional Minister Yamami Linda Okru ena yete se wode nsam yi ede etudwa ebra wo mukopie mu ewo eye Laboma Beach Hotel.
No nsiabre mu kase memene dade no nenso nyade aye memene da na ye to ansam no so a na ye wuram we senior fellow Africa Policy Lens Dr. Joshua Zato ene ne din na pani yakasa ne nsam a wode ato yamane bofo animu nyina no wo boso no Dr. Joshua say wano de oman ya yetimu ya yede democracy ene ye adwuma yi wo hu ni prenye premfa se sade sonoma no ekọ wo ye kire ye wura afanya ma aka mo etrotro placards se Ghana democracy is under attack no one day one kasa is under attack na mom se unim daga tete bafo no de ye press ni se ya utranye ye na awo no ada ye de daga ne bi eto ye democracy na kon ase ni etwa ne koshen ema eteye no eyeda se Chief Justice ankasa yese yeyi na firi na adwuma mu breko a wo hwe se de wo man ne nchekere ye kura ate a wo de hwe executives no na de hwe se de obese wo no ma dudu so judicial ne ho ahwan ansa fourth estate of the realm and de kura no wo mu hia mu na ye kamoka ho eno ensema Dr. Joshua wo de to so ni.
One of the first things I want to look at when you look at the concept of democracy is the independence of the judiciary. That is why one of the basic principles of democracy or governance is this called separation of powers. And you have the three co-equal arms of government. So that with the fourth estate, the media seen as the fourth estate holding it together. The day this country removed a sitting chief justice was the day we put a dagger to the heart of our democracy. That singular act threatens our democracy. What it does is that it opens that noble institution, that office, to massive political and partisan interference in the future.
Na yebusa sa na sa no se wo bia ntime mfa ne nsa nkan na de wote ho ye no nso no emwo o ma ne nchekere na ye ni amwo ho nsema na woda so te ho eno nso de wode to usuni
These two institutions, when they have a problem, that's where they run to seek refuge. I am saying that is where they all run to seek refuge. So when you go to the place where Parliament goes to seek refuge and the executive goes to seek refuge, and when you remove that person through the process, that you have caused irreparable damage to the independence and integrity of that office. That's my point. Chief Justice is a co-equal arm of government. There are three arms of government. When you remove that arm and the circumstances by which you do, you permanently bring a lot of damage to that office, and you subject it to serious partisanship that has been permanently damaged by the removal of that. I have not said that I remove them, but I've said that removing this woman and the conditions and circumstances under which she was removed permanently damages the independence of that institution. That is my point. So when you go to the place where Parliament goes to seek refuge, the executive goes to seek refuge, and when you remove that person through the process, that you have caused irreparable damage to the independence and integrity of that office.
No, Dr. Joshua Zato, yeah, we're senior fellow African policy lens. And I tell say, workers are say, a Democrat, no baby, I didn't none and Namnedia, and mention.
Now, Sa Democrat, yeah, Yantimi Anthony, and honor Ejina, na Yadani, and who book off, na Yura, now watching in someone. Yadibedi won't draw Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Yani am Krabata winning in no. Yes, I'm going to come at the amount. Ninty, I shall say the free Dajwada. A Dajwada, and Alexander Kwamana Fanyamaki. What the two no watchers at Wakrano. Say a body didn't say no, I be one now, and I want you couldn't or any to my. But now I just am no, the Afacas, no, the Abba. And one of the Kazan watchers too. I buy what is way. Why are the opposition members? What about how pa? Now, I do a more formula. After musi.
We say to the NDC government, stop the harassment of the opposition. Mr. Speaker, a tribunal that can be turned on political opponents does not exist in isolation.
With great respect to you and without prejudice to your presence,
this minority has watched grow all year.
To nominate only you to come
this evening, without naming it plainly, members of the New Patriotic Party, including MPs from the minority, have been maliciously targeted and harassed simply for holding different views, using the investigative and prosecutorial powers of the state. We say without apology that this is both dangerous and wrong. A government that fears its critics has already told us something horrifying about itself. It is inflicting a new culture of silence on this nation.
We Alexander was saying a comment off on your marking. Now, we Marasilo Jam was also Tia Kunu, and I'm not pointing to one and no Moody's uncle. We and I was not on your Kuno. Say, I often say 1 more year harassment. And there was no one your Kuno near our freedom. Adama no Zanka, we are a young our friendom. One freedom, dear Mamono. Henry and Abuachi, the door of friend and a bee. One will bomb was never cross. Now, what Jugum sa. In trouble friend MPP recross. One on our casa and watch us say. BBI is set. Senya me adomwa. Ya wada ye twa mu ya. We no okasa dwadano. Say ya wada ye twa mu ya. Wo me petition be kwa bank asiem. Mampani aka che ho. Na afa Supreme Court wo me di akọ ho. Me ase ojam kwamba mu mbi.
Last Friday we submitted our notice to stage a mammoth demonstration. The essence of this demonstration is the selective justice we are witnessing, the interference with our judiciary, again the oppressive and onerous bill conditions being slapped on members of the opposition, and the fact that today as we speak, democracy is under attack, suppression of free speech, criminalization of free speech. We cannot witness the fact that our democracy is dying.
Democracy is dying. Near can democracy no. One man to me and Chinama say, oh, what I see you. And to say, I am pensu, she be anfa me and Jonku Jonkwa. Ube who another democracy no. Na ya peko and tanka daka. Eden washim. We Henry. Nanabu achina na B. Don't throw for the mouse no kukukamu no kun MPP. Na no point kwa dauruma. And what I see no nyina.
Na dano dwadan so and central phone share mu bi ekoso ewo eye West Africa Examination Councilor ye twanitia friend Wayek na openia oni central for kasa ye head of public affairs ye John Kapi osiye na wono na odi ba betu dwa kire mu say na nsɛntɛm nie ɛbrɛ nkwadaa kɔtwerɛ puisi yiwie na afei ho nsɛntrɔfoɔ hyia mu ɛba yɛ amanfoɔ keka nsɛm ɛde fa ɛyɛ waye ke ho no waba abɔnten aba bɛkyerɛ mu fikɔ ɛde akyerɛ nsɛntrɔfoɔ kyerɛ mu sɛ nokura ne nyameanom nie afei yɛhwɛ nkwadaa ɛtwerɛ ɛyɛ BEC na nokura ne nyameanom nie ɔmo keka kɔ ɔmo anim kakra wɔse nkwadaa a wɔn timi register ɛyɛ 3601 a kyerɛ sɛ wɔn no ɛbɛtɔ odwa kyerɛ mu sɛ saa candidate wɔnum ne nyinaa no wɔn ntumi anya akonya nkwankɔtwerɛ ɛyɛ nsɔhwɛ no ɛna nsa nso bi nsukura no wɔn yɛ nneɛma bi a ɛmma ho kwan sɛ wodi otwerɛ nsɔhwɛ a wobɛtumi ayɛ ɛde afa ho ɛnu nti ɛbɛtɔ odwa kyerɛ mu sɛ yɛasanhye wɔn emu nsɛntrɔfoɔ hyɛ mu ɛyɛ John Kapi ɛkyerɛ mu no abusua ɛduada no ebi ni.
Is not satisfied with their results, they have the opportunity to seek or ask for remarking. Now the process is simple. You go back to the school, and the school, through the district examinations officer, would apply to us asking for the scripts to be remarked. So once the request is brought, the office would get officers to look for the scripts. They will go through them and invite the chief examiner to come and take a look at each of the subjects. The cost I would not be able to mention immediately because it varies depending on what the fellow is asking for. So, but again, I don't have the figures readily in front of me, so I'll not be able to speak to that particular issue. But then anybody who thinks that they deserve better results, that opportunity is there. They can always come back and then ask for remark. Yeah, the process shouldn't last beyond a couple of weeks, depending on how early the request is made.
Abusuya, near yeti ye openia wono, ena wakasa edema eye wayik, ejumekuo no, Yera John, Kapi, ene yeti sa dano dwadano. Wade nkyeremu wei ebetuja
ene edadwo adakrona ebinumo keka won ho pa na won mo ye adwuma ozum lion Ghana limited na won mo oye kira won mo ye nyina ye se na no ansu yiri ne ba ye ewie no won mo hu se na empanimfo didi nkomo no won kya se ba bi wo ho ye se won mo film gate ye bo aduro se de be na se enso no kura de mo bi virus bi bacteria bi no mo ba ya won betumi aha nipa ye bo sa aduro na won nkosu ye nyina ye kuno na no na akwaya sa ye sene twene ne ye so de ebia nanim huhu won na besoa eba ne sa na wo de na ehu pe no wasase ebo hu sojotiri na Zoom Lion adwumayefo ne bia no wo mo ye adwuma ho lead convener ya wono na eboaboa doma no se sa wo ye kire wo mo nye na mpanimfo nti wo mo no kasa Patrick nate no wo se de ekoso no hwan na nkonkopete 30 months salary akam wo mo nya ntuai na yansan kopete hwan na wo mo de na ekọ penimpa na na so wo befa ni pa afro na wo mo nsem ni
ni workers ya adwuma on tiamo ase ya na Zoom Lion ya tise mo ba be ye massive fumigation that massive fumigation workers ben na mo de be ye za adwuma no za fumigation spray na mo koye aba famu na ya tia mo ka mo be fa ikofo no workers ben na mo de be ye za adwuma no yes you won't try ya tumi ya adwuma for over 30 months 2.5 years people are struggling, people are looking for their money to feed, no money. Why? Mr. President, please, show your photo and see, bra, but here, forget the Zoom Lion, here, put your chayaka, Mr. President, we know that you are listening, President. We know, and your workers and your co-leaders are also listening, people. Over 30 months, Zoom Lion workers, prayers department, and those who sweep,
we lead convener, no, Anna, would do Dominem, Eddie Wamoko, yes, I no. Na adwumayefo na nkasa wo montinka mu akamu no nso no sabra na no Oppong Kyekyeku gina ho a wone na tedi nkomo wie no na nka de kokko noko ma yanso yanka bi wo mu die ni ye dadwa danwa adwumafo wo mo ye adwuma Ozum Lion Ghana Limited a wo mo so mo katua kem na wo mo te fumigation ho asam no wo mo ba abonten wo na Oppong Kyekyeku edi nkomo ate se enya nnwom na no wo mo tu no ye tua light de wo mo kan nyina ye ka ye edi sika na eyo kapre nsu ni ho na wo mo de wo mo akonsem eto Sompa kase ani
afa ye nwura brada no na no brada no ana yesma na no Oppong Kyekyeku se won ko airport ne mo hwe no wanfa plane won ko no wo fa plane pe asamba to ye enti wo ko ye no na mrahye badwam konom ti no a ewe akobade yesu no wane wo mpo na nam ene wo ko ho na wo mo o ane wan ko kuma sempo wan ko Ali Mahama Sport Stadium ho de no mpo na kan twom se wate afema ko Tamale airport wan ko sunyande no na ye Accra International Airport ni akana ni afa ne kotoka no ho na no wo na okoya dank wo kotokoto na waka nsem no anu om so da bi Sompa de ayeso gina ho esansa mo de mo Sompa wo mo akara nyina nkoto nkoka na ye maame a no da Airport Company Limited na no ana wo ka say even every year anu wo so se ade bia wan de abapa wo mo de asokora abofo ma contractor kora wo ko mobilize sika na wa ba besie wo mbesi car park ni eto aso be se nso na tie mi enu be kwa akosha asase ase ene ye car park na suru se no aye nyina ya nam ho no ene ye mo bebam restaurant bebam chese niema bebre wo mu wi a eno na pampam no wo de car park maku num ebesisi suru ohu abrosa ya to aso num a ni nyina ya car park nko a no nkura nwie yo wo mu wi a ni ombasande ya to akire no echenkuri ye ntie car park de ye nemra
to free up the space for a multi-story car park and hotels. So where we're standing now would go down 2 levels underground car park. This surface level will be a shopping mall, retail spaces, a food court, restaurants, and general retail spaces, offices would be on this floor. The next level, that's up here, it will come up to the meeters and greeters level. So if you are a traveler and maybe you are coming to meet someone and you have more time to spend, you can come to the shopping mall, wait around, have a bite, and then you can connect directly to the meeters and greeters area to welcome your loved one. The above floors on top of this level will be 5 more car parks, 5 more levels of car parks. So there'll be 2 down, there will be a shopping mall on the surface level, and then 5 more levels of car parking on top. So that's what makes up for the 7.
Well, Mami, if I'm free, no. Ana ona no Oppong Kyekyeku na nakura kan din ho opare enso ka ho na wo wie no ana so onse waka ya there will be car park, there will be shopping mall, one more restaurant on fifi one so car park na to aso num no last one 5 no ne suru se won basa de mienu asan hye ho mienu no basa de ahye wa na ye nso no e ye hotel yo na hotel no ye wa luxury hotel ya ana de ye num se no je se ye jama na Oppong Kyekyeku mo na wo mo akoda ho na omde ba ko nso ende be budget hotel ni nyina airport de na no de me ne apam ni akwa ho bi aboso.
On top of the 5 will be a luxury hotel that is accessible for anyone in the country. But the budget hotel will be an airport hotel only accessible from within the airport. And that will be servicing maybe a flight that has been cancelled, an aircraft has been grounded, and passengers are looking for hotels to book and wait for a reschedule of a new flight. That hotel is what will be used to accommodate those requests. So whereas that hotel, the budget or the lesser expensive hotel will be the airport hotel, the other luxury hotel can be accessed from outside. Anyone, anywhere can book and come and reside there for the time that they need to.
We Mami Yvonne, na every year pare. One of my days when you to Jan watch the mu send and yama nyina tie. Ewo Ghana Airport Company Limited wo makachi. Na nkomo national and international reporter honorable MP for Sompa kwanom ti bia wo bra se wedem bia woda so na Oppong Kyekyeku wona kwafa bai
ebusuan nyankasa na tie de ankama pon e wa brabo mu yentu akase no eso executive director edema Africa Education Watch Edwatch Yewura Kofi Asare wakasa de afa BEC nsohwe ya yetre hu wo se watena se ahwepete takrama hu se BEC echia te se jebidie ka na eyamfonso a ye di free SHS ba ye na wono ni susue mu no was say fiti bread free SHS baye enkwala nya akwanya no mu ko school free no eno kan bi anene enkwala BC no okotro nso hwe wonim se no nso no ye maake ni free ene wotro one tro ye be pass so eno kan bi anene insunsuanso boni say ababesi enkwala ye tro BC resource epie emonten esoi
qualify. How come you get Kofi Asare result before he went to select the school? Other than that, the whole relevance of me having full knowledge of my result before selecting is hugely constricted. But we are still selecting category. Kofi Asare can still select category if I get 20 or 30. Select two category B. I'm yet to understand how having full knowledge of your result will impact on and that stress you are talking about. I'm yet to ascertain because the biggest challenge in the placement, per my understanding, was the incongruity between demand and supply. Brought pressures on some schools and sometimes it brought corruption. Category A schools in Ghana are able to accommodate only 10% of candidates. But the demand for category A schools is 65%. So you have about 360 people chasing 60,000 slots in category A schools. That was a big problem. So solution, you have to redistribute the demand in line with the merit or whatever it is. So now you are saying that now you have your results before you go and select. So if you go and you have a grade 20, you go there per sec. You have a grade 20, but you are still going for per sec.
Mo, enti dano blandano, ena yera Kofi Asare. Wono eno ye executive director Africa Education Watch ena busuya yete no
na edabna da korona wono mo a ya wono mo krakai ediba o manimu obese home use cars no womo nso kasai pa se womo anya nte se abane de nhihye bi ba ebewie kaya ya yusu de dakora no nya de a mbema kwan ama aba o manimu ye no wono mo hwe ani mu se afia ye wo mu ye no October bosomi du no ni de di kan e na efri ase ne no na wo mo ye ho adwuma de les ne chese no kwasem ni we ekotobi kuma se aba no wan sign na chi no odi echira e adwuma na eba begu eba ne se ya na wo mo eton no ugu no na wo mo nso e kra pass no eba aboso kan for de na abeso ogu adwuma na na wo mo nsem ni.
I think things should be okay. We are talking of 10 years issue. When you go outside there, their standard of living, everything is high. But still, all that cars are being used. Even they are developed, they plan their country well. We are a third country that we are struggling to survive. So we can't compare ourselves to those people. Though we need our safety, roadworthy, collapsing our local industry.
This thing, I don't understand. I will never agree. Because to affect it, now I have my age, 2007. So what I'm going to do it. So government is supposed to help us so that we also be in future they will help us. Because right now if we see this cars 208, 29, 27, people are to affect us. We have family at home that we are taking care of them. We are depending on this thing that we are doing. So if you want to run it, what are we going to do?
No, woman a daily dealers no kai no na womo kasa yi na ewie na womo sande beto so che se we a womo kai no anka anya hwe womo ma womo adomre bi the friend is a grace period no na eno so the womo kan yi ni.
People are really very, very panicking about the situation and so on. So that's why we are appealing to the government to see to it, and then maybe if you can then pull back a little for us to manage ourselves. I think that one will be, credible.
If we want to use an agency of states to somehow frustrate a market, I think it begs more questions than answers. A lot of people are going to lose jobs if we are not careful with this implementation. And as VADAC, we are calling the Standards Board to hold on. We are asking them to put a halt on this. There are a lot of safety questions that need to be answered today.
We, dealers na, ana one more just said the abandoned treasure, kind of one my father than number no. And on one which I said, dear, a chamum fear do no money a day. No mum, fear num, fear me and fear nine, no fear me, dear, one mutimid the back. Nanso, one was in Cadia, one of funny dano. A more monton my and son are by Bebra. Wabra.
Afe ewura nanu ukwada emunsemu na ukwada no ana asemwempo na ebia bada ho fitibe na kakra nie na yenka ho asem a enti yenka ho asem no na pokwa asefo osufre se na mukra ada na moma ye ne moye ena yase oponko opon de onde nkan ha de o de asase kra friends wom ade kwa akosipo ni nyina wo ho na hwe video ya daso say we kai we bi wo fufu ho we say video ya bi wo fufu upon da kwatwe ba ya kwatwe brafo ada woroma na no bra wo mu wie ipokwasi interchange wie ye na amount for the interchange na say ye kapa choba ya no mdi wefufu afa ye nkwate a man for na esi ejanambia ewo interchange ni nche hope nwura na no ho ba bia wo de nwan akọ kwabenya emfinfin ho no saa ho no a ofiri aja heba na wawura mu saa na wokro no eho ene ewura mu ne ekobusa MCE say era akwete agbo ekobusa say honorable na we adenti na moja ne saa eno so ade no ye ne ma won permit say won mo nkonko ye na wo mo ko ye no nya ba bia ye de permit ne ma wo mo so mo nko ye no ho no mo ko ye nti we yakobubu kura wo na ya ko stop wo na ye mu bu angu no ena amanfo ehunu say afi na ya ade foforo honorable spoke inside.
One thing that I want to clear is that the mistake that we made was we did not clear the structure, and the whole issue is being carried as maybe it is a new something. In fact, when we stopped, we should have immediately cleared it, but it has been there all this while. So the YouTuber also, the person that actually blew this thing out, even if you check the place is with it. That it shows clearly that there was some work ongoing and it has been stopped. In fact, if you look at the whole enclave, we actually need such a facility around because people, especially the individuals that operate business around that enclave, are actually using the forest that's Waku around the enclave as a place of convenience, which we need to address that. So there's a buffer around the enclave. So we are going to put up such a public washroom around the enclave so that in case anybody alight at the enclave and there's something, they have a place to ease themselves.
We era akwete agbo wona Ganof waya MCE wo ho nti ono ne wane yakwa ya yebusero so ade de wo mu hia manfo na ho ne se wo ne ngura mu na wo mo de ya shepeten enti wo mu hia pa se ebe ye bi se di ama ho nanso nya ba bi am ka so wo mo nkoye no ene wo nkoye nti we kura no wo mo akoye ho adwuma wo ma stop mu na wo ma mu bu anto angu no ene ama nkrofo hu ya mo fresh sompa fo se mo mra no eno de nam so a ye ne manfo na edidwa wo de bi no ebon ko ne ebuso ya na mo ara mo de ya shepeten eno am te he nya ne o teach inside
ko baby no ba ha first no aha no uba nyina na prayer kama boss say no oya ha to nyina ye fu udu ha so lati le ho obetumi akosi pupu ase afiafu ka ba kokko benya enti first no aha ye kama pa boss say no ekwanti aha ye basa
we mama fo na wo mudi dwa o interchange ni ase ho ne ncha ho no ba ko ne ne kasa e na we na no Oppong Kyekyeku Obrempong na wo de twi ha mama isi ko nkankan oh wo de wo no obi a wakaga na one ne ye adam na nkan du ha ye be kirim si ana wo che se e se man fo di ngura mu ho no mo de aya shepeten e se ahune die ho nsam no e kwa atwe wo ho pa nti wo mo sa to sere mpanifo se we de be yanka wo mo mre wo mo
abusuan ye ka wo se na wo twi mu nsam ana ya trense a yede ebremu bade wekese mema tope miensa yede esumwo na wobeka ise danu ukuada no ena ebeto odwa chemu ise kasamafo a wokasa edema eye omampani ewo na stana ekese a wotimu Minister of State in charge of government communication Yera Felix Ofosu Kwache wono na
because the law is clear that for criminal
ani ebeto odwa chemu ise Enkani a chief executive officer wada microfinance and small loan center maslog ano ye mami said na tamaklu ne mami court di atuja chemu say acquitted and discharged provokasi ebi granted da na obi say din ya ne depot the acquitter ne kwakoto ne baba din madam acquitter sister acquitter obi say discharge us hey discharge enkasa nyesa man be hawo enti eyade bi e ba ye no Ghana fo be so mu pa de tudwa chem say kamet say aben ade mpanifo abua mu be say ukotokro ne abrechi asabe wade ankasro da ebewe ni mu be ye din papa na eno nam so ama Yera Felosofo kwa chide abetu tudwa chem say mami ye ka say still order so tua posifo kukum a ye nyi no.
If you look at the composition of the appeals court that sat on this matter, 2 of the judges were appointed by the MPP administration, President Akufo-Addo to be precise, and 1 was appointed by President Mahama. And it was a unanimous verdict. None of them disagreed with the other in their judgments. And the judgment has become public. People have read it. But the Attorney General has said that he disagrees with the appeals court ruling. So he has done 2 things. He has filed a stay of execution, which means that until, in his view, the matter is determined, Sedina should not be released. And I can tell you, Sedina has not been released. She is still in custody. Because the Attorney General wants the stay of execution
ahead first. Well, it's a matter for the courts to determine. My understanding is that even though the legal vacation has started, the appeals court judges have warrant to sit on the matter. That's my understanding. That's the information I have from the Attorney General. The second point also is that the Attorney General has said that he will appeal the decision. So based on that, we will know what the way forward is. But any claim that somehow government is to be faulted is emotive. It is not logical. It is not based on any sound reasoning.
Inti abusuya yera feli sofo sukwache ena abusuya yete se wodi nsɛm tu dwa dano ya wada ewe ye sister station so
na abusuya se ye bobɔ ne yewura ya wada no mu no ukua da no mu ho ana obo ase sectek se de no wo mo cha se headmaster wo fa school for no wo machi ba bia na wo kɔ wo mo bola so ye wie ye wo kokosie biribi ya wo mo kodi ni mpabro no abai wura pani a wo ho wo ba pa first love apia wone sompa kase edi nkomo na wo cha se de wo se de wo se prepare wo de da kokonfa no cha ya asabia kura se wo mo hwe no na nkomo a wo akire bia no ma me ne ye bo ni sei
teacher for mu school ha omutimi so ka security services ho ani central for omutimi ba ha from enra na besine me mamu nyina mu sesi ane de ye wie mu set meeting no de kekamani ko si ye ne se sesi anu ye roll call ni ahwe nkola dodo a wo school mu omu so omu ni school mu nze enra nsem ni si ye nyama bebre na course anu ntini ye roll call ahwe omu wa ha ni omu ni ha ye wie roll call na ye behwa sa ye be man nkola ni nyina ko won awofo Abraya share edimu ewo police for any educational director both region and Obuase na yaye investigation and na jono na mimi nya call say o matwitwa headmaster ama ya ration to AD hospital and nti no me nya asante ye no me frɛ district commander nti sesi ayi de nyankopon adom headmaster no wapra
afe education director Dr. William Kwame na over Kwame nso what is saying account
you be satire, you pay whatever satire you want to say who said yeah wa ba dia bay now few people in a region. The number of students 152 executions one grade it won't go abaye juma wa ye school normal wa ye normal air course no pound na hands and it won't go fie no be catch woman
breakages are payable eno de wo mra no mukura deda enti wo kwa no waka a kire maame ana papa se de mekoye ye ntina ye de bill we ahye manim no na wo school mu de Kofodia Technical University nso na wo mudwuma de a wo mu de SRC week no na kokofo bowura ho ekwawie no wo mu stop wo mu de ntia eno na Loveless Dodu wono nso de we eto yamane bofu enim.
When the findings are submitted, then could be taken. Whilst NACO is also undergoing pending the determination of investigations that NACO is carrying out. Yes, 10 persons were arrested, 7 of them, which means that 3 of them of this university. What will happen is that, as I told you, a committee has been constituted, and NACO is also carrying out its investigation. So if there's any program at all to be carried out, then what will happen is that we have regulations.
Enti emrada ho we Kofodia Technical University the Narcotics Control Commission for ezu se ese ebinom etafre tofe na ebinso kura ede yesheto nom na ehwo ade no na wo mbowura ho a ede we ba ya eda ukuada no ya bo akire ede ama ya tifu
na no ya wada no we asem we say eno de na ya nim se san se aha na wo mo aka nyina nya no ntiase se ya wada no bibi be kwaso awa Ghana ha ya friend say democracy and attack demo na about to go atimi fanso yi wono a o se wa media coordinator anu na bobo ansantwofo na no so na ya trene ya wa trene ansantwofo won kran ha nyina wono na wo moto nsa friend say won friend ni nuanom ni bi nka ho ana wo magin se mimra enti wo mukwachi mfa ho nyina no ana akai papa ya na no wan kwachi no a anu se na yiri so hu ba bi a wan de no afi adanta kumi wo chi wo po nyina ho ankona no se he da no mo ka ma mba fie na wo be sympathize with me yire ne me ma no na aka ho nti ma ben ka asem bi nkyerɛ I promise wo ma wona say MPP for ba se ya wo na wo kyena se ye koto aba I promise wo ma wona say yebenya independent police service enya ne ankrofo etie wa mo ye ya political police adanta kumi teaching side
Yehu Yakoso, Yamani, your campaign. And then young girl who fought. But she tell it to me now, baby, incoming president, Dr. Bamia, every place. I don't need evidence. And I got a police, sorry, I'm not that's crime have expiring date. You be a crime, that's the expiring date. I don't know, I got a police. And try me, some and this court can fool. The people are never young people. I won't go any day, I got you. So play a bonny quarter for starting here with Adiana. I will show more with your because of promotion. Because you were DT. Masa, the next MPP cabinet will let the police be more independent than ever. Will let the police be more independent. Other body banner Ghana fire. Monebana Ghana for me, the Casania Betchie, the Casania Betchie. Son of the true petition, Betchie, Mamma, miscarriage. Monebay.
Swati, asana na Americana, na me boss to say, no, Emma no can. And we will just have one bank. Say, IGP car said, one more promotion in as I said, and yes, you refuse to bribe on Kwam. Which MPP Nibiana no qua, nay amount promotion. Yamina Miko, I don't talk to me. One number point you couldn't answer me.
Abusia. Waka say, hey, a cab bass, I make a segu. Na Abusian Yababeto Johnny Chirase. Miracle Abuaje Chirase. Cecia Yaka say, wo bien and noon, ama sebo bukro when is sifita, no slow. And as our memoir yetimin, Utia ye now kobawa, no one way near Doko Batak, Ayarakov. I heard that chanko my bube too and you now the wound to me away fiase. Na Wakasa, Yentin is some more the two Jadano, Yawadanibi.
That's why I'm speaking against. I'm worried about. I'm genuinely worried. I don't feel safe. I won't lie to you. I told you I've written today. Personally, I don't feel safe because I talk. I can't. I love to talk. I love to debate. I feel that my mouth will put me into trouble. That is what I feel. I feel that. No, I am just saying, and it's not just me. So the thousands of people who are coming on the streets tomorrow, that is how most of them feel. That if we don't have anything at all in Ghana, it is our free speech. It's our democracy. It's the fact that we are able to really express ourselves without any fear of being targeted. That is what it is. So if you are in government today and you're excited, you are happy that some of your opponents are being targeted because you think they are loud, they have free speech and everything, you should be worried. Because what you are telling me, Miracles, is that when one day I have an opportunity to also be in government, I should also target people who are loud and are loud mouth.
And no. And Yera Dennis Miracle Abuaje and yete say what dey same Eddie Etu Jamaica say wope aspiring national communication officer obeso nya kasamafo Dibrano, our MPP was no Amanyukunimu, Nene, any eti, Dano, Yawadano.
Na Yawadanoa, na miracles, baby away swinging ano. Na woman and Casansu di yawo. As answer, every precota, a quite yamony pang watch. A dawu quedabi, ya, was another near torso, is ya, Canafinomuno, near Shahonfa. And Ghana man penny, his excellency John Mahama, and it's our code Jamaica in ano. Wabuanan time passionately ebai na safi dano obedi bi na nenkasa na wabeche se nipa nwotwe na womuti nananom wansedi no bia wadae so ya sa dae so no na ebo man ya wo mantimi anwie ho na wo sa dae so no wo yi dae no ho.
Today, a year later, we gather not to relive that pain, but to give it meaning. We gather because remembrance is an obligation for every grateful nation. A country that forgets those who served it slowly forgets the values on which it is built. Memory, therefore, is not simply about looking backwards. It's an act of national character and value. It affirms that sacrifices matter and that service is honored and that lives dedicated to the nation will never disappear into the shadows of history. The 8 Ghanaians we honor today came from diverse backgrounds and diverse professions. They had different dreams, different personalities, and different stories. And yet they were united by one common purpose.
enti no mo obotae kro sa abotae kro no yese fama gudi a wo mutu emfa mra kwan so no betwa abaahwe ano na ewie na Ghana mampani e kire se de asie nyina no ya na edu ba bia no wo maka se ajabi di ase ye de dada yisia nanso wo hye wo mo bo.
To the bereaved families, permit me once again to convey the deepest condolences of the government and people of Ghana. I know that no speech can erase your pain. No anniversaries can fill that empty seat at your dining table. And no ceremonies can replace the voices that you long to hear or the embraces that you still miss. You borne your grief with remarkable courage and dignity over the past year. In doing so, you have reminded all of us that love does not end with death. It endures in memory, in faith, and in the lives we choose to live thereafter.
Edaya wada, dear Ghana mampani, nipa nwotwe woti na nanom wanse do wo mo afidi danase wo bi eso ene no. Abusua ni nyina mu no sanka ye na nanka yade ene de wo mo ko ya anka beka so midimafo e ba center wo huntie ni kwansa yade de obi konse do. Nanso eyenkwanhia enti abasa enya aba no nso de na eyobi abakandin midimafo aba se yade bia tewo so no bra na wo ma ne nyemre ewo ebu akwa agogo asantemamu ana wonya yade no mawo ewo poku ase mayira enkran na fe fa yare sakofie de waye ni nuro babia wo fafiri wo de tu yade ase enti ma yade enchewo nkonse do 0244774282 waboya boso anwumre yi na yesom na nuro no wonnom abra wonidio ebi ohwa ye highly efficacious anu ehye enti udi agura abesa akwawe won so no enu nti na se onya biribidi doctor babuza se wadidi wie ansa wa fa eduro no wudi nso adidi emu edu na atime ama eduro na ye adwuma ye just hot kenke ende ne boefo wo mabone 3 Ghana cedis enti ene wo mo etondo kono na wo mo ahunu no dodo na agya no so wo mo agya eburo no to na wo man kofa de ehunu amre wo mo kokan dokono no ewo commercial bank dan na chipe wo dome just hot kenke wo mo de yesu nso na noa Jesus aso so nwumre wo mo na aboy aboso ansem ne ba ye dan ye hutia wa ye ba ye bewie nsem no ewo da fiadem.
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo Heba Clinic Accra. And you won't hear passengers a gumika imu. A hona do one aircraft. Hey, and this Accra and put away the mo. And ya the Muampa. The said ye, a Duchem Atlantic International University, America Memo, about Dr. Dujanfi Babasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am more. Oh, Missy Minim wife, your copa war. 1 year, 1 city. You send between 1 and 8 years. Miss Connection and Shadam Koye, na Esakakra. She say what Pedro Mama Hodiam Bem. Connection, what about the crowd? About the cry, stroke so dear. What found small. Chessa, I did you who any dear Siano. Yari Bia Tatia, ever Dr. Tamdasu and so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yari Bia. Kumasi say, oh, opposite government school. And then Krahanso, Obepim, or Pokuase, Maira Quanoso. For a doctor, 0244 774 282. And that's 0500-727215. Midimafo Herbal Clinic. Wudimafo Newa. Sompa kasiebo. Anji babia.
Na nkanya dai. Haya na ose aje. Na anji babia. Na wiase nyina anya bie etie na wi aya fine. Na onza nra. Ayi na nsana na kura bra wa mko demonstration e Ghana ha no a na Oppong Kyekyeku di anim no. Wa mko nyina wa mko du abankase mu no. No nso am the petition e ko mama mpani. So ri wa kura nkanya bia. Ma mi gen emra no wa maje. Wodi omu bia kura ye busy anka chief of staff emra no wa mefa. When we are among small friends to catch you for so and I say, Bia, I shall my Muslim mpo. Come on, woman can't Dr. Samaya, said Dr. Samaya, Crown Concord. Woman, Mammy and I don't know as you know. What did or Conrad or Crop wired thing? No, so I say I was a dad or Conoto. Says they say what you, what did or Conubuno? One woman's man, Mamma, Mame Nana Yajantwa, CPP for one general secretary. No, near CPP Azana, just in code about CPP. Obedi general secretary Nibi. Now, one for will respect Marcus, one farmer one a badger. Now, Anna Alexander Crime off in your market, or born arguing, Ademano, and Oko talk on Twitter, Facebook, and one amount for shares. As a buy. I know some one can once and be no so was you already no has Nana Yajantwa Nebeji. Now Dr. Samaya Krat Royade, and I feel scratch over you. And Anya Cranka, Calistus Mahama, one my young woman, Penny Mahama, one Mamaji, Nana Yajantwa. Some friend with some and one would free here. Yeah, see, Zabaka, Honorable Avenue. Na nene no se ne wono aka no sense wo se wo mo afo bua ma respect kra no mighty minority leader na was my agent was on emerge.
With great respect to you and without prejudice to your presence, to nominate only you to come amount to disrespecting us as a political party. I'm the leader of the party in parliament. You have the general secretary of the party here. You have the chief of staff of the flag bearer. We have our chairman of the Constitutional Affairs Committee of the party. The members of parliament and the leadership of parliament are all here. But to disrespect our democracy by only nominating you to come, like I said, with great deference to you, it doesn't match it. So it means that the government does not even take serious the grave issues before us.
Osahene Alexander Kwamena Afanyamakin. We Nana Yajanto answer man back pass.
Honor senior marking, so no now contract. Afenyo marking, who afenyo marking? Your classmate in you. Yes, of course. Many afenyo marking, meeting ya one afenyo marking. What this saying? What this saying? On can you maminti? Mimi made some year from 5 or more. We wouldn't more. And afenyo marking say many afenyo marking 2 years. He hasn't got the rights. This is a president no did not tell because presidents ye me. Maybe I call Bank of Ghana and your security man a budget petition. Person me who said and your security man and I called you petition.
Nana Yajanto no. Was it now the Occupy Bank of Ghana demono? One man watch mine a bedia. No, no, dear Mampani, ne, will be a head Mampani Akachi, no, no, Babadia, Mudia Musu. Ain't the avenue? Was you betting me on Wafanya Yamoba? I will no cram and none crass I have avenue noir. Ain't the more unfor Boma respect. So a Cassachan and rough of San. Now come away. Sanya appointed to Qua. Where be?
Abusia Mustafa Bandi, a deputy general secretary. Edima NDC amanyuku no na wode ababa to dwa chemu se NDC aban yi baye ope MPP ni aban ya somaboa ne pae Alexander Afenyoma Kingdom kunma no banu deni a wode omano wo se na nsentem ni ebabi Afenyoba ko bia ne bodyguards egu no ho abusuya wotena se dwene ho a wonte asa aban wono ana na aban no teso wo se eyeyeru Alexander Afenyoma King epia bonte a wote se Arabian King ene baby obefa bia ye wawa ne krokro no na enum nsem a yerei ede etudwa botai ode tato no wo kire mu sei
Afenyoma King school ya the tramblet say Arabian King Arab for hene wono eda odi mu wo man yi mu e wo aban mu bi ne Afenyoma King live like an Arabian king in this government no did you not see for say democracy ya carrying the upside we need to stop hypocrisy wo mo koye yina ayisa na nkrofo akodi ho you don't do politics like that. I don't know. I am a yes, the kind of leaders are do for the politics are done business.
No cra sa na yera Mustafa Etiase Edefa ono anoye deputy general secretary Edema eye Chinye Amanyuku no.
Afe fiada kro na yera kwamna menta aka no. Apomuden so afo. Ekohia nsafo ahodo a wo musika bon seprekese na wo mutimi di wo musika eye japade wo man mu no na wo cha agenda 111 no se wo man so ma manyame ansomu a anhwe a ebeje nsemu.
The Catholic bishops are major stakeholders in the health sector. If you go to every region, you find 1 or 2 facilities that belong to the Catholic Church. So they are under a group we call champions. You say an association of them. So they be very, very significant in the health sector. So today, I took the opportunity to come to Southern government policy, discuss and take their input and go to the healthcare in the country. So
Enti yewra akando mintaka ne din ho ye o man yeso afọ hwe pomuden nsem so na one Catholic Bishop Conference for no kodi nkomo no wo chese wo betimi afa agenda 111 ni bi no wa ye ni ye sanse wo sa anya hwe no ofa wo man yi ba bi a wo mo obi wo ho na Most Reverend Matthew Kosujemfi won na ye wo mo pani otua wo ma no wo mo je asem ni sei.
Catholic Church, we decided to set up our health facilities in the rural areas. You know, the government usually starts with providing the urban centers first as nodal points where villages will come back. We go into some of these rural areas that are very often far away from the urban centers. And to set up health facilities in rural areas is always extremely difficult.
Woman no kura eba se ya bia ya sabia no ne ade a womo de no kura mrada ho womo twe won ho firi kuromu akwa ekirikyiri no womo akwa akoye nti wo kwa akoye ne kuromu no ena fom sa we eye da fiada ne nsam a ebobo na eba ya
medima fo ba center na edima yen ena nwumre ena Joshua Kenki ebo ye chidom awa Sompa 106.5 ankran ha ene ye nkra bata do na ewo wiase afa na nyina no womo je nsebre nyina etopeten ye ya so ne de ha sha akwanhwefo ne nsa na ebom eniano mo a yebeje adwa ebe kenkan nsem no kama ede ma wo no eye me odema koma chia me Obrempong nana kwaku ampoma menembra
nana Oppong Kyekyeku enafi
triple my ejapia Apam Dadaa.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service, our Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesakikwapo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wastrano eweye brim, and am nensaso ama onyankupon reyahon wat yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you some perfect service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ni asasi shia. Eye bro nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma some perfect service encha wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no nunkusi anopa no nsia. Fa woda ni na share radensa. Na erade beye.
Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ghana had the